Good morning, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. I'm Ashley with Back to Simple Home. Today is gonna be a good day because my husband and I are hosting Thanksgiving. We're excited to have both sides of our family come over. It's gonna be so fun having everyone together. And I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of what I'm doing to get ready, to prepare, to host. So right now I'm in the dining room, just doing some last minute touches on our table where we'll be eating. So I'll show you kind of how I have that set up so far. So this is our dining room, and we turned our table so that we could fit the extensions on it to make it longer so we could fit more people. And then we pulled in our chairs from our kitchen table. So it's gonna be a little bit crowded, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna pull in a little kids table for my kids to sit on, just kind of off to the side. My husband actually built this table and these benches about 5 or 6 years ago when we moved in our house. So we have used this for all of our holidays. It's been really nice, but this is what the table is looking like right now. It's just kind of simple. I like to do a lot of like whites and golds and greenery. These are the plates we're gonna eat on. They are paper plates, which I usually like to do glass plates for holidays just to make it nicer, but I didn't have enough glass plates. And we also thought just to save on cleanup, so we're doing paper plates, but if I'm gonna do paper plates, I did want them to be nice and pretty and heavy duty. So this is what I found at Marshall's. When I sent my mom a picture of them, she thought they looked like china. So I was like, oh, success. That's what I'm going for. So, and then I just got these gold napkins to go with it. The silverware was my husband's grandma's and she gave them to me. So I thought that was really pretty with it. And then we are doing glass. Our glasses are these goblet glasses that we actually had at our wedding reception. We bought all of them. So between my mom and I, we have a whole lot of these glasses, but I also use those for all of the holidays. So this is what the table is looking like right now. I got all of this set up yesterday and finished it last night after the kids went to bed. I definitely recommend getting anything you possibly can done ahead of time, and don't save anything for the day of hosting except for the things that absolutely have to be done the day of. A little hosting tip that I have learned over the years, I used to not really do that. I would save so many things for the day of and I would be so stressed. Especially if you have little kids, you already have plenty to do just getting them breakfast and dressed and all of that. So definitely get your table set up, do any kind of cooking that you can ahead of time. It will make the day of your party or your celebration go so much smoother and be less stressful. Now I'm gonna show you our dessert table. It is in our breakfast area. I have moved all of the chairs in the dining room, so this is all open now. So this is the dessert table. Everything is still covered, obviously, because it's not time yet to eat. Everyone's gonna be getting here in the next couple of hours. I made this pumpkin crunch cake last night, and then last night I also made this chocolate chip pie. And these are some little brownie bites that my husband's grandma sent over. And then this, let's talk about this pumpkin pie. I have never liked pumpkin pie before. Just the texture or something. I love the taste of pumpkin, but just have never been a pumpkin pie fan until I tried Costco's pumpkin pie, which if you saw our pumpkin tasting video, that was one of the items my mom brought, was the Costco pumpkin pie. It was so good. So she got another one of those. And you guys, they are, let me show you the size of this. It's like a good size pie for $5.99. And she kind of dresses it up with some caramel drizzle and whipped cream. I have this size for the dessert plates that match our dinner plates, and more of the gold napkins. Up here is our little thankful board, our little Thanksgiving craft board that some crafts the boys worked on this week. They did some painting and coloring, and they decorated these leaves, wrote some things they're thankful for. So this is our little Thanksgiving craft board that the boys worked on this week. All right, it is time to move back in the kitchen. The turkey is in the oven, and I have a lot of the other food prepared that I made last night and then some this morning. And actually, my mom, my grandma, my mother-in-law, my husband's grandma, everyone is bringing like lots of dishes. to help out. So that's been like a huge blessing. But right now I am gonna make the cranberry sauce, so I will show you guys how I do that. First, I'm just doing a cup of water. Next is a cup of sugar. And now I'm gonna let the water and sugar boil, and then I'm gonna add the cranberries. I just finished rinsing the cranberries. Look how good they look. They're so pretty. Now that our sugar water is boiling, I'm gonna add a cup of the cranberries. You can hear the cranberries bursting open. That's so crazy. Whoa. I'm going to turn this on low and let this simmer for a little bit to cook the cranberries. This is smelling so good. I added some cinnamon to it, and I actually added a lot more cranberries and a lot more ingredients than I showed you guys because I just wasn't thinking, and I needed to pretty much triple the recipe. This is going to be our drink station, and I'm gonna fix it up and make it look cuter, but I set out the ingredients to make a hot apple cider in the crock pot, so I'll show you how I'm gonna make that with this Honeycrisp apple cider blend and cinnamon sticks, and slice up some apple, oranges, and I'm gonna put some cranberries in that. Then we have just some sparkling juice, some grape juice, and some sparkling cider, and then I'm gonna do a sweet tea in this pitcher. And then we'll also have water for whoever wants that. But I need to fix this little station up to make it look cuter. Here is what the hot apple cider looks like once I have the cranberries, the sliced apple, and orange in there. And then there's actually a lot of, or several cinnamon sticks down in there. So I'm just gonna keep this on low throughout the day, and it'll just stay warm for whenever people want to get some of it. And bonus, it will help the house smell delicious. All right, everyone is gonna be getting here in the next 30 minutes or so. So all I have left to do is light some candles and play some music. Hey Siri, play jazz music.
Now playing Pure Jazz Radio.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a quick video, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what I was doing to get ready to host Thanksgiving this year. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment down below because we absolutely love hearing from you guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys. Happy Thanksgiving!